Unit 13.
Accept. Accept is a verb. When you accept something, you take or receive it. The company will accept packages between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Now you say the word. Accept. Accept. Address. Address is a noun. An address tells where a person or business is located. The address is 43 Grand Street, Houston, Texas. Now you say the word. Address. Address. Address is a verb. If you address people or groups, you speak to them. Speak clearly and loudly when you address the audience. Now you say the word. Address. Difficult. Difficult is an adjective. Something that is difficult is hard to do or understand. It is difficult to play chess well. Now you say the word. Difficult. Difficult. Excuse. Excuse is a noun. An excuse is a reason that explains a mistake. My excuse for being late is that I overslept. Now you say the word. Excuse. Excuse. Excuse is a verb. When you excuse another person, you forgive the person. Please excuse me for bumping into you. Now you say the word. Excuse. Expert. Expert is a noun. An expert is someone who knows a lot about some special thing or does something really well. Grandma Moses was an expert painter. Now you say the word. Expert. Expert. Hollow. Hollow is an adjective. Something hollow has a hole or an empty space inside. The owl lives in a hollow tree trunk. Now you say the word. Hollow. Hollow. Relax. Relax is a verb. When you relax, you become less tense. A back rub can relax tight muscles. Now you say the word. Relax. Relax. Section. Section is a noun. A section is part of a whole. I never read the sports section. Now you say the word. Section. Section. Stamp. Stamp is a noun. A stamp is a small piece of printed paper that shows when postage is paid. The letter was returned because it did not have a stamp. Now you say the word. Stamp. Stamp. Stamp is a verb. If you stamp your foot, you put your foot down with force. The camper will stamp out the fire so it doesn't spread. Now you say the word. Stamp. Whole. Whole is an adjective. Something whole is complete. It has all its parts. We could not eat the whole pizza. Now you say the word. Whole. Whole.